I had an injury with my knee, so I was not confident of participating. But after joining this Think and Grow Rich, some miracle happened. I got a call saying that I have already been selected in the team. So that was a wow moment for me. I recommend everybody to join this Think and Grow Rich Academy.
If you would like to enter our Carnegie Club of Success or want to have a success story for yourself, then just click on the link below and enter our programs, and we will make sure that you can achieve the grand success in 2021. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Siddharth Shah. I am the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. We represent the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India. Friends, what a bounce back. Today's success story is such a super bounce back. I've got Mrs. Rupali Bhandare, our Think and Grow Rich participant, who was the national level basketball player in 1980s. And she has bounced back in basketball at her age at this moment after entering the academy. So this is a super success story by Rupali Bhandare ji. Rupali ji, congratulations and thank you so much for your time for coming to our interview. Ma'am, why don't you introduce yourself again to our audience, please?
Sure. First of all, thank you, Siddharth sir, for giving me an opportunity to express myself.
Most welcome.
Hello, everyone. I'm Rupali Bhandare. First of all, I want to start by expressing my gratitude to all my seniors, my coaches, my family, my teachers, all the doctors who have made me capable of what I am today.
Right.
Yeah, to begin with, I started at a very young age of 10 because basketball is my passion. Playing basketball is my passion. As I continued playing, I achieved my berth in the national team,
Mm.
and there was no looking back.
Mm.
During my nationals, I got an opportunity to lead the Maharashtra state team, which was under 16, and we emerged the winners.
Mm.
There, I got an opportunity to be interviewed by All India Radio
Wow.
as a captain of the winning team.
Wow.
Later, I also participated in the open cross country race, where I got a gold medal, and there I was interviewed by the Indian Express as a
Wow.
budding sportsman.
Amazing. So many feathers in the cap, Rupali ji. This is really awesome. Thank you for coming over here. So, Rupali ji, tell us something that you entered our academy in the month of December 2020, right? I
Yes,
mean, and what is your success story after joining our program? I mean, if you can just elaborate on that, please.
yes. Before joining the program, I was literally searching how to attach success to a goal. I was not finding any goal. I was only listening and enhancing my skills. I was listening to the eminent speakers like Peter Sage, Dr. John DeMartini, Lisa Nichols, and of course, Siddharth sir.
Thank you.
And that's how I got my answer. And I joined the Think and Grow Rich Academy. So before joining the academy, I had lots of hurdles health wise because I had some injury challenges while playing on the court, and so I was tackling that and also the time management.
Right. And what happened after the academy? I mean, you had some. Your passion is basketball, ma'am, and that's what you told that I want to go and again play basketball, and I don't want to have age is just a number. Then you gave your name for the selection also. That you are opting out to giving your preference to play, but something happened that the list was out and it didn't happen. And then what happened? Tell us about the success story.
Yes, I was wanting to start my game again, but due to my health injury, my knee, I had an injury with my knee, so I was not confident of participating. But after joining this Think and Grow Rich, I got a lot of confidence to make an attempt to participate and start playing basketball. And hence, I had given my name for selections. But then I found that the team was already selected and the door was closed for me. I had no option but to try next year. But some miracle happened. I had my mentor, Mr. Ravi Verma, who
Mm.
was continuously guiding me and asking me to be focused and being more positive and ensuring that some miracle will definitely happen.
Mm.
And following whatever he affirmations that he had given me, one fine day, within a gap of 2 days, I got a call saying that I have already been selected in the team. So that was a wow moment for me because I was again going to be on the court and I could recollect my olden days. and I was full of enthusiasm and zeal.
Wow, amazing. This is like I'm getting goosebumps that the list is out, your name is not there, and you are like, oh, why my name is not there? Then, 2 days you are waiting, and believing, okay, it's happening. And then you're saying, my name is there. And I can see the real feeling that you being basketball being such a passion for you, and your feeling without being, despite having the injury and despite the gap of yours not playing for so many years, you are again being selected in the name. So that's a real amazing success story. Thank you so much, Rupali ji, for that. So tell us something about that. You have a larger goal than this, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So tell us something about that, and what is your confidence level after you achieve this success story to achieve that bigger goal?
Yes. My goal is to play for nationals, and if given a chance, I would definitely like to play for India.
Oh,
Every player always wishes that they give their best and get selected for the Indian team.
yeah.
After joining this Think and Grow Rich, um, I followed a systematic discipline. I followed some habits which helped me to grow and go out and perform.
Mm,
The habits which I have learned is, first of all, that I had a strong self belief and I fully believed in this system of Think and Grow Rich.
mm,
Secondly, I took the help of my mentor, Mr. Ravi Verma, who has been giving me constant support and the confidence which I much required.
mm,
Thirdly, I joined the morning reading club, which was most important. I was doing the chapter of persistence. So
mm.
I got the formula for success. That is, if you have a burning desire, which is backed by persistence and willpower and followed with a proper self discipline, that is a formula for success. So I tried and I'm pursuing that. And then I also listened to the strangest secret audio.
Yeah.
So that has also kept me going. And finally, I went out fearlessly on the court and doing my fitness regime.
This is so powerful, Rupali ji. You have actually nailed it. I mean, whatever principles which we talk in the program, that having the strong willpower, joining the reading club, listening to the stranger's secret. So, just to make the audience understand that what is this thing of reading clubs? Is it a part of the academy that the communities which we have built up, or is something which beyond that? It's a bonus which you are getting after joining the program. Am I right?
Yes, yes, it is a bonus. It has been started by the community members only. It helps us to get up early and start reading
Right.
because we have to learn from the book. So what we do is we read that particular chapter for 21 days in order to build that habit. So every time we read, we have different thoughts to share. We have different ways of thinking, and that is helping each person to grow.
Of
So
course.
we can plan our day early, and it brings us closer to our goals.
Right. So, Rupali ji, if I may ask you that if a person says that, okay, I will read the book on my own, or I will just, what is it? I mean, why should I join the program? What would you recommend?
I would definitely suggest that reading book is definitely good, but you need a companion like Think and Grow Rich, where there is no procrastination. I would say that once you join the club, you are immediately following all the systematic, disciplined success routines.
Mm,
You get a mentor who continuously guides you, and there are so many different activities which keeps you going. Now, take the case of Friday's mastermind program,
right.
where every Friday we get a chance to upgrade our skills.
Yeah.
So, if you sit and read a book, you may not necessarily cover up that chapter,
Right.
but you get whatever is the latest. People come and share their success stories, and that is tried and tested. So, it makes our job really easy.
Right.
You pick up whatever is required for your goal, and you're closer to your goal.
So, what would you recommend to people who say that, oh, I will do on my own? Why should I join this program? What would be your opinion on this?
I would definitely recommend everybody to join this Think and Grow program, Think and Grow Rich program, because it has helped me to bounce back after 20 plus years.
Yeah.
And I can see the change and miracle in myself. It has helped me to realize that yes, we can do it. And how we can do it? With persistence, willpower, and discipline and burning desire. So it
Yes.
helps us to ignite the burning desire.
Right.
And when you're there in the mastermind alliance group,
Yes.
all will help you to achieve this goal because everyone keeps on celebrating each one's success.
Right. Right.
That's
Amazing. So you mentioned about some video which you are listening every day, The Strangest Secret,
yes,
right? Do you
yes,
listen to this every day?
yes. I make it a point to listen every day.
Every day?
Yes,
Wow. You listen to the English version or the Hindi version?
both.
You listen to both?
Yes,
I mean, that's really powerful. I mean, why I'm asking you this question? Because we make all our participants listen to the same video again and again. On third day of the program, we tell you got to listen to this every day. And you know, me being a chartered accountant, a left brainer, a MBA, my left brain says, "Yeah, why should I listen to the same video again and again, again and again, again and again?" But that's where we do something different, something really radical, and that's where your mindset starts to shift. So how has been your experience listening to, because I think you're also a rational person, but you're listening to this every day. So what would be your experience? Share about that, please, ma'am.
yes. Actually, consistency is the key.
Right.
In order to be consistency. See, we have different values. If we rate our values, the one which is on the top is the easiest thing which we do without any motivation. But as we go down to 6 7, we require a lot of motivation. So
Right.
this audio helps us to motivate ourselves, and without losing consistency, we are able to persistently follow our goal. And that's the reason why, in spite of all may not be self driven, but this audio helps us to focus and push us more towards the goal, because repetition is the success of
Awesome.
the goal.
Awesome. I think brilliantly you have nailed it properly. Very nicely said, Rupali ji. Very frankly, Rupali ji, when I was having the notion of interviewing a basketball player, I had a very different notion of having you. But looking at you, you are senior to me, and you have got such a vast experience. Sports is running in your blood. I think you play cricket. You have got some belt in karate. Can you just share about what's your connection with sports? Basketball is the passion, but you're really a sportswoman. So can you just share about something about that? What kind of sports you play and how you got into sports and what's there in it for you?
Yeah, basketball, so I got during school days.
Hmm.
Okay, athletics was because of the fitness, and I chose the road less traveled, so I went into long distance, and there I was able to win gold medal, and
Wow.
it definitely took care of my fitness and stamina. Then for karate, this was because of my son. He's a brown belt, and he encouraged me to
Hmm.
pursue karate, and this has helped me. So
Amazing.
my aim is to achieve black belt. So
Wow.
it is because of that. And my son was also pursuing cricket. So we had matches over there. So I participated in cricket and
Amazing.
won a prize there also.
Super. I mean, this is amazing that, I mean, age is just a number. Would you agree, Rupali ji?
Yes, yes, it is just a number, because the spirit, the passion, the burning desire, I'll tell you in one, there's something beautiful about rewriting the future.
Yeah.
So I want to make the best use of it. And that's what Think and Grow Rich Academy has, ensured that I'm able to do it.
Wonderful. I think you are an inspiration to many of us, Rupali ji, that you can start at any age, with whatever history which you have got. If you have those burning desire and an inspiration to achieve, definitely you can go to the next level. Really, I have been inspired by your interview, Rupali ji. It's been an honor, and it's a great congratulations for you entering the Carnegie Club of Success. You have really made it, and because of your discipline, your persistence, you made it. You trusted us and you followed the principles. So thank you so much for that, Rupali ji. Final words to our audience before we wrap this interview. Anything finally which you want to share about our program, or to the audience, or to the viewers? How can they can change their lives? Anything final words from your end?
Yes. I recommend everybody to join this Think and Grow Rich Academy, because this is a super family. First of all, Siddharth sir is our inspiration. Second thing, we have our different mentors who are excellent in their field, and all the family members go out of the way. They go the extra mile to help people. So that is, it gives more power to everybody to succeed. And also, I would like to tell people that contribution plays a major role. That we have to help others succeed without expecting anything, and that will help us to rise above. So I would recommend everybody to join this and achieve their success as early as possible. So I want to thank Mr. Ravi Verma also for being for bringing out the best in me.
Absolutely. Yes, every person matters and every person in the community matters for sure. And Ravi has been a great inspiration in lots of success stories in our academy. So more power to you, Rupali ji. Thank you so much for your time, Rupali ji, for a wonderful interview. And we wish you grand success. Then we are looking at you going to the next level to play your passion. Age is not a problem at all. I'm sure that you have got the confidence that you can achieve the grand goal which you want to achieve, right?
Yes, yes.
Great, thank you so much. This is Rupali Bhandare. She entered our program in the month of December. It's almost just 25 days in the program. And a veteran basketball player who has played at the state level, Maharashtra team captain, gold medal winner. After a gap of more than 25 to 30 years, she has literally bounced back. And now she's selected as one of the basketball players, and now she's not going to stop. She is not going to stop for sure. Whatever is there, she's not going to stop because she has got that burning desire. She knows that she can truly think and grow rich in whatever way you define the richness or the goal. Congratulations, Rupali ji, for entering our Carnegie Club of Success. If you would like to enter our Carnegie Club of Success or want to have a success story for yourself, then just click on the link below and enter our programs, and we will make sure that you can achieve the grand success in 2021. जो भी आपका success होगा, because that's the power of Think and Grow Rich. Like Rupali ji's success story, please share this video, make it an inspiration. See how a lady who is committed with passion can achieve this grand success. She can bounce back, and you can definitely celebrate Rupali ji's success story together. And thank you so much for watching our video, and like, subscribe our channel, and see you on the other side. Thank you so much. Bye bye.